So welcome to our video on paper 3, which is the most AAHL paper, as it has fewer questions, bigger ideas, and marks for sustained reasoning. Paper 3 is 1 hour and 1 hour long, and it is 555 marks. You need your GDC, and it's made of two extended response problem solving questions.
So, unlike in paper 1 and paper 2, paper 3 often gives you scenarios and asks you to build a model to prove or show a relationship, to interpret the results of something, and obviously to communicate clearly. Here in this paper, it is not enough to just get the answer. Here, everything is about your thinking.
That's right, Mr. Pop. And a simple time plan would be 30 minutes on the 30-mark question, then 25 minutes on the 25-mark question. So you spent around 1 minute per mark, and then just to give yourself 5 minutes to go over every explanation and check the consistency, because again, you get the method marks, and just check and make sure that you went through all of the steps required for the question.
And then, how do you score high on this exam, you may ask? Well, here it is. You have to write in full mathematical sentences. Make sure you practice this beforehand. Know your mathematical notations, know your signs, know how to write sentences in math. Then keep your algebra readable. The markers reward clarity. This both means your handwriting and also that you're not just placing your equations all across the pages. You need to show your steps one by one after each other, not all across three different pages. And the last one is to use your GDC to support. Often here, there is a lot of graphs that you can sketch. You can verify the limits and check your solutions with your GDC. But it is important that this does not replace your actual
Before you move on to the next questions, make sure that you answered what the command term asks you to do. Make sure you defined variables clearly, and make sure you interpreted the context of your answer within the question.
Paper 3 is often the hardest for many students because you cannot start to practice it until the end of your syllabus because you do not know a lot of the topics, and this is just a combination of a lot of the topics. It's very hard to start practicing early. A lot of people are very scared of this exam because of that, but you don't have to be scared of it. It's usually very logical. It goes step by step throughout the process, and the easy steps are always in the beginning, and then it slowly gets into very theoretical math. But you can do it. It's really, you just have to practice all of the topics. There are certain topics which appear more often in these paper threes, so preparing from that is very important. In your last few months, when you know the whole syllabus.
So guys, if you prepared for paper 1 and paper 2 before, you have nothing to worry about. What makes it really distinct is the command terms used in the questions. Make sure that you know the command terms, and because it gives you an idea what the question wants from you and what answer you should give to the question.
And also the communication part of it, of knowing how to write full sentences in math terms and how to explain your logic with math.
Ciao, ciao.